Ugh, why do I always film videos with no makeup and my hair looking like absolute trash? Hey guys, and welcome back. Don't mind Pip being Pip. Hey, come love me. So, Maya, why is there already a life update video? Like, I feel like you do these a lot for a channel of your size. You're not wrong. I do post these a lot. And you know why? Mental illness tends to get in the way of life. And that's kind of what's been happening with me. So I don't want to say that I've been gone just because of mental illness. But the real reason that I've been sort of MIA after Damn it, Pip, leave my light alone. The reason I've been gone after I committed to posting every Wednesday is because my eating disorder got a little out of hand. Pip, please leave my light alone. When I say a little out of hand, I mean I couldn't stand to even look at myself at the weight that I was at, especially on camera. I'm starting to program my brain to go back to being more normal, and this is one of the steps. I had a lot of trouble editing my mukbang, which is why it wasn't very edited, because I did not like how I looked in that. However, the only way through it is through it. So even when I don't like the way that I look, I have to still push through and post. Which is why today you have me, no makeup on my face, sitting down and being honest with you guys. Life update. I have a really shitty eating disorder, and it was really affecting my life in the worst possible way, and it was stopping me from posting. If you notice, I also disappeared from Instagram because I couldn't stand to look at myself. And that's when you know that things are bad. When you stop doing what you love because you can't stand the way that you look. This isn't another preachy video about my eating disorder. This is just telling you guys that's why. Eating disorders are rough. And I'm trying to work through it. I'm wearing a crop top today, actually. It's a very short crop top. I'm not going to show you my full body because that's a whole nother story. But I'm wearing a crop top today. It's a big step for me, guys. I don't know if I'm going to leave the house in this, but I'm wearing it. Another question that I know a lot of you have probably been wondering. Maya, who are these new people in your videos? Who are these new people that you post on Instagram and on your stories? You always post that tall ginger, Christina, from my last video, is in all my Instagram stories. Maya, you're always out partying, like, what's going on? Let me tell you guys a story. These people, the majority of the people that I post are my coworkers. You see a lot of Liza, you see a lot of Dylan, and obviously a lot of Christina. Christina does not work with me, but she did work with me at my shitty retail job. Liza and Dylan both work with me at the bank, love them to death. So what happens is most days, especially days that I say I don't want to associate with anyone, Dylan, I'm looking at you. Those days I normally get texts from Liza and Dylan, one both. We're in a group text as well, and normally I'll get a text saying like, hey Maya, what are you up to? Like, let's come over. And they'll come over and we'll hang out and we'll smoke some hookah, which if you don't know what hookah is, it's kind of like the original vape. It's not drugs, it's not weed, it's nothing like that. It's kind of like the original vaping. Yes, it's nicotine, it's not the best for you, but it's significantly less than is in a Juul. So it's still better than hitting the Juul, which most people do. I'm not going to pretend that they don't. And you guys can't pretend that most people don't Juul. I know middle schoolers that Juul, it's a thing. But they'll come over and it'll just be a lot of like heart-to-hearts. Some days Christina will be like, I'm having a bad day, and she'll come over and we'll do some hookah and we'll drink. And the only nights that things get crazy are when I'm with Christina. I love this girl so much. She is my soul sister, but she is Irish and you can tell by the way she drinks. There have been nights that we don't go to bed until 8 a.m. and we don't get wild. Like, we will drink a lot, but we are significantly above legal drinking age. Significantly above, like 23, 26, significantly above. And we've built up our tolerance, so we don't get sloppy drunk. We drink a lot and we sit there and we have heart-to-hearts, and sometimes we cry. Not gonna pretend we don't, but it's girls' nights. And that's what we do. We like to have a lot of dance parties, and it's the funny moments where we're dying laughing that I'll post on Instagram. And then everyone's like, oh, you're always partying. And I'm like, honestly, no. Most nights, we're just sitting at home on the couch. But when something hilarious happens, I'll post it, and it'll seem like we're partying. But we're literally just like sitting on the couch having a psych marathon. Love that show. But that's what we do more often than not. We'll like sit on the couch and have a psych marathon while drinking, and then, you know, something ridiculous will happen, and that's what I'll post. And everyone's like, you're partying. And I'm like, I'm literally watching Psych. I'm literally watching Psych. How is this partying? But I know the real reason that you ask is because you guys are surprised, because I used to always be with Danny and Casey. What happened to them? What happened to my sisters? There's no drama. There's no tea. Casey is married with one baby and another on the way, lives in a different state now. I just never really get to see her. Danny lives like 2 hours away now. Never get to see her. My sisters, Beaker has 2 kids and is married. Like, Sarah moved in with her boyfriend and is no longer in the same neighborhood as me. Like, that's what it is. It's just as we grow up and people move away, you don't see them as often. I'm still in a group chat with my sisters that I message every single day. Me and Danny were literally just texting yesterday. Like, me and Casey were just texting the other day. Like, you grow up and you still love your best friends and they'll still be your best friend, but you don't see them as often. Something just crashed and I don't know what. I blame Mercury retrograde. I guarantee you, my phone keeps going off, I guarantee you that's Liza, because she wants to go to Whole Foods with me today, which we might be doing. Not sure yet. What else is going on? I'm going back to LA. Maya, are you moving out there? Not yet. There is something in the works that may end with me moving out there, which is a very exciting thing, but it's also a very confidential thing. But it's very exciting. I may be moving out there in the not too distant future. However, this is not it. I am going out there next month because I get vacation from work and I was trying to save it for whenever Gem Beauty would be, but there's a lot of drama surrounding that right now. Any other IpsyOS creators will attest to the drama surrounding it behind the scenes. There may not be a Gem Beauty this year, guys. No one knows what's happening with it. But I figured why not take this vacation and just go to LA. So I'm going to LA. I have a handful of friends that want to go with me. So it looks like I'm going out for 2 full weeks. And it looks like my friends are kind of breaking it up into shifts. Like, I'm going with Christina, Katie's gonna meet me, my friend Amanda's gonna meet me. I have friends out there in LA who I'm super excited to see. If you guys remember Paris from my LA vlog, I'm meeting up with her. I love her. My friend Alex, meeting up with her. My friend Cotton might actually be coming out to LA at the same time. I'm super excited. I can't remember the last time I've been this excited for something. Like, honest to God, guys. Like, I love LA. I love LA. And being around my creator friends, just like, it sounds cheesy to say, I feel like I'm like lit up inside, but that's how happy I am. I feel like there's a light shining out of me when I'm with my creator friends. And I'm finally going back to see them, and I'm so happy. My phone keeps going off, and I swear to God it's Liza, and I swear to God I'm gonna hit her. Liza, I love you, but you're just as bad as Dylan. It was both Liza and Dylan. Curse group chats. But that's really all there is, guys. There is no big life update. Even though this video is life update, so it makes it seem like there's a big life update, but there really isn't. 100% honesty. My problem and why I haven't been posting is because I let my eating disorder get the better of me. And I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm fighting against it, and I'm working my butt off to get better. And it's really difficult, but the only way through it is through it. Being completely honest and open with you guys, I don't even have makeup on. That's how you can tell. Normally, even when I say I don't have makeup on, I normally have concealer on. I don't even have concealer on, nothing. When I am completely barefaced, that's when you know it's like a real, honest, sit down, heart to heart, pouring my guts out to you guys. Damn it, Pip. I wish you guys knew the amount of times that I edited out me yelling "damn it, Pip" in my videos. Because I swear on my life, every 20 seconds she's into something. But yeah, that's it. That's literally it. I let my eating disorder get the better of me, and I'm fighting through it, I'm hanging out with, it's not even a new group. It seems like it, but it's only because it's a new group from who I used to have in my videos. But, you know, I've been at the bank for like almost a year and a half now. I've been hanging out with Dylan since I got hired, Liza since she came back. Like, when I went to LA, I had just recently, like, become friends with Liza. So, it's been like a year. Like, Christina and I were always close, but we were never, like, this close. I will say that's been a relatively recent development. We're always close and could always, like, confide anything in each other, but this much, like, hanging out outside work has been very recent. But she's one of my favorite humans. I'm glad this development has happened. That's pretty much it. Just, hey, there's new people in your life. They're not really new, but yeah, they're on camera a lot more now. Hey, you party a lot. I really don't. I just enjoy pointing out the moments when it seems like I'm partying because we enjoy having girls' night. And some of the moments seem like it's hardcore partying, but it's really just like sitting on the couch watching Psych. I don't have much alone time anymore, which really irks me. Dylan and Liza. I tell them all the time, like, hey, I need a day to myself, and then somehow they convince me to go out and do something with them every single day. Every day. They have me go to Marshall's in a snowstorm. There's no real big updates, just new people that I love so much. Like, going back to LA, my favorite thing on earth, with some people that you guys might know, you guys might not know. Again, you've seen Christina. I don't think you've even met Katie, but, like, Katie's one of my favorite humans. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen her. Actually, have you? I don't know. It's been forever. Wow. But yeah, I'm really excited for what's to come. And now that I am kicking my eating disorder's ass, I should be back to this. I should be back to being able to actually look at myself in the camera. Being able to look at myself on my computer screen as I edit. That's what I'm trying to do. So I gotta push myself to do. And that's one of the hardest things to do, as anyone in recovery would tell you, but it's what I'm doing. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you so much for watching. If you are ready to watch me kick my eating disorder's ass and get back to posting, make sure that you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, hit that stupid bell because YouTube is broken and will not tell you when I upload otherwise. My phone is going off like crazy because Liza and Dylan will not stop texting even though they know that I'm filming. I'm going to hit them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold. So cold.